Hello there, Master Hellish here, and welcome to a skirmish day at the LAC. Now, this particular event was taking place at Kirton 2 on the 30th of November 2014. First game's going to be coming up soon, and it's going to involve the Ridge. Well, it's the first game of the day. I'm on the red team, and we're on the Ridge. We're defending. And the yellow team
was looking straight down his barrel, straight at me.
We're defending, and the yellow team just have to clear us out. We've only got medics, we've got no respawn. Most of the yellow team headed to our left, and that's where most of our team is now.
Sniper going far right!
Yeah, I can see him.
Bottom of the ridge!
We've got about 3 guys down there defending our right hand side. There's about 4 of us over here. Oh, more guys are coming.
Guys, keep down, there's a sniper walking across.
Sniper?
Yeah. There's 2 in the bush line, and 1 walking across the side. Coming up the ridge.
Nice shot, mate.
Get him?
Yeah, you got him.
Can I get him?
You got him, he shouted hit. His flag's out.
Well played. Is that the sniper in the ghillie suit? Well played, mate.
Nothing much to report. I like that. That's good news when you're defending. We just have to sit here for as long as possible. And I think they're going to switch the game around afterwards.
Around the back.
They're coming round the back.
Guys, Rich, you stay with your mate with the orange gun. If he gets hit, he's ready. Hey?
They haven't fired a shot yet because they ain't got close enough. Our guys down there on the north part of the ridge seem quite happy.
Sniper's moved up left.
Sniper's moving to the bottom of the ridge, down here.
You won't deal with them. We won't be able to shoot you with the sniper.
They pushed you back this far?
Yeah, the guys at the front, they're all gone.
Crap. That's a lot worse than I thought it was going to be. There's nobody behind us now.
Sniper's going down there, not very serious.
Okay. Got to have a couple of guys back here watching the north side. Guy spotted over there, look.
Yeah, it's nice.
Shout if you need any help, mate.
Yeah.
We're smart medicing now.
We don't need to see him, we just need to see you.
There's some here. Hit! Sorry, mate, I couldn't get to you.
No worries. Where's our leader?
We don't have one. That's it, when we're dead, we're dead.
Hey, go! Go! Time up.
There's about 4 of them left.
James!
Nice gun.
So what was happening there was myself and about 3 other people were watching the northern part of the ridge. We thought we'd better not have the whole team at the southern part, but the rest of the red team were having problems taking out those yellows, because the yellows started at the southern part and was, as you saw in the video just there, was pushing up through. I then abandoned the northern part and went down to try and medic somebody, but got shot on the way. And yep, they pushed up past through us and managed to clear the ridge in 11 minutes and 30 seconds. So that was the time we had to beat. So now it was time to switch the game around and leave from the track and attack the ridge.
Quick. Game on! Fast march, guys. Timed game. All together.
Yes, that didn't work.
It didn't, did it? Oh, they're still heading for the same point now.
Look, they're right and they're open.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We've got infinite respawns. We go fast, we go hard, we win. Quicker. That's it. Get in there, go, follow him up, Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 yeah! Keep moving, go! Is that all there is? Come on! Next position, guys! Need to get round, we're getting too many guys in one place.
Move! Push up! Through the back of the bridge!
I'm going to go round a bit more. What we got? Keep going. Take position! Come on! Head north! Head north! Come on, guys! To your left! To your left! Keep moving! position, move on. Can we get a medic left?
I'm getting ready.
Go, go, go. Heads down, heads down. He got them, he got them. Move on, next position, go. Next position, next tree, move. Okay. Next bit, come on. I can see somebody. Is that range? He's been hit. Come on, Reds! Next move! We need to get round this point, we're getting stuck here. Get round, come on. We're going to get stuck otherwise. Head. There's lots of yellow flags back there. Next position, next tree, move on. Can't get up. It's very muddy. Is that a medic person? It's a marshal. Oh no, he's dead. Yeah. Right, that's the next bit. Next tree, guys, next position, move on. Keep going, guys. Move up, guys, we've got it. Come on, come on, come on. Reds, move. Move forward, spread out. Move forward, spread out.
Right, then left.
I can't see any. Nope, can't see any. Next tree, next position. Not bad, not bad.
Ollie! Ollie!
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Contact! Move! Go where they are!
Keep going! I think that guy, no, he's been hit. Been very careful not to kill people who are already down. Keep going, keep going! Next position! Contact spotted, contact spotted! He's out my range, he's out my range! Hopefully somebody can find him. Did you get him, mate? Brian down! Brian down! Next position! Next tree! Move up! Quicker! Come on! We've got this now! We've got this now! Move! Couple of people at the back! Check the sides! Check the sides! Check the left! Next tree, come on, check the sides! Check the sides! Spotted, enemy straight ahead! Quick crosswind! One of them's down! Medic, you mate. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enemy spotted! Enemy spotted! There's a guy just down here. Come on, guys, on the right. Move up, move up. We need you on the right. God, he's close. Move up, move up. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's close, come on! Come on, guys! Guys on the left, come on! Clear and check now, guys! Clear and check! Scan round, quick check! We're going to have to call this soon. Any contacts at all? Spread out, guys. Any contacts?
Reds, are you calling it?
Quick check, quick check.
Guys, check the area before you call it. Double check.
Quick check. I think we may as well call it. We're going to spend another minute looking.
Call it.
You call it? Are we calling it? Any other?
Game
Yep.
over!
That was good.
Call, Jace.
Doors. Yellows, you took 11 minutes 30 seconds to clear the ridge. Reds, I know this is verified by one of your players just to prove it to him, you took 11 minutes 32.
Oh.
Seriously? I had one of your players stood there and I went, look, 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 and it was literally seconds. Seconds. Yeah? Right, okay, so back to the safe zone, rearm and reload, we'll get out for.
So, according to the marshal there, the yellows cleared us out in 11 minutes 30 seconds exactly, and we did it in 2 seconds longer, so we lost. However, I reviewed the footage and we did it in 11 minutes exactly, saying that we'd actually be 30 seconds quicker than the other team. I don't know what happened there, but it was good fun anyway. Well, there we are. That's the end of part 1. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the episode, remember to give it a like. Any thoughts, ideas or questions, pop them down in the comments below. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.